Bless you, Mr. Ricky.
What the fuck?
All right.
Jesse,
You're an animal, Ricky. You got any more in you? Bless you, Ricky.
Ooh, shit, son. Sun chips. Oh, shit.
Smells like ass here.
This is like his 8th sneeze.
No. The hell?
See, I have this theory that, like, how hot would it be if some... You think it's the cigar smoke?
How do you know? It's like